Welcome students. Welcome to the course of Economics, Finance and Entrepreneurship. Myself Professor Ranabir Monik of Department of Basic Science and Humanities of Institute of Engineering and Management IEM Kolkata. So in this lecture, we will discuss how you can craft your value proposition canvas. So in my last lecture, we have discussed this customer segment, the right hand part. Now in this lecture, we will discuss the left hand side, the value proposition part, which has three portion: product and services, pain relievers and gain creators. So we will discuss how you will fill this canvas. So what is product and services? What do you mean by this word in this value proposition canvas? So it refers to all the products and services you offer in your venture. It helps the customers to complete their jobs, create value when they are related to customer jobs, pains and gains. So this is actually your product and services. Next comes pain relievers. Again, what do you mean by this word pain relievers? Pain relievers are those which reduce or eliminates the customer pain points. So this is your pain relievers. Then the third point, which is your gain creators. So it creates outcomes and benefits that the customers expects, desires, or is surprised by. It may just surprise your customer. Okay, so these are your gain creators. So So now you can fill the value proposition canvas. You know the customer section, you know the value proposition section. So again, let us take an example. And the same example of wedding planner. So what will be the product and services for this wedding planner company? It will be a online wedding service via mobile app. An efficient wedding planner. Then comes the pain relievers. What will be the pain relieving points of this wedding planner company? It will be the service management, contracts that can be signed online, price comparison. So you can see all pain points are addressed by this wedding planner company. And the last one is quality assurance. So these are the main pain points your customers are facing. Now you are solving those. Then the last one, gain creators. What will be the gain creators in this business? Saving time for the customers, saving money of the customers, access to top-notch resources. So you can see these are the gain creators from your company. Thank you. So now you know how to fill a value proposition canvas. You know the customer section, you know the company section or your venture section. You can fill those. You know the 3 points in the left hand side and right hand side. So it is a very important part of your before you starting your business. Otherwise, you may fail like this Google Glass. Okay, so this is a very important point you need to fill before you start a new venture.